Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2019 Kia Forte. This car has the EX Premium package. It gives you a sunroof, signal repeaters, aluminum alloy wheels, and several other features we're going to talk about as we go around the car. The car is done up in a beautiful shade of blue with black accents and some chrome trim here and there. The car also has a 2-liter engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. So we get on the driver's side. Taking a look in the car, first thing we see is the car has power windows, locks and mirrors. Has rear cross traffic alert and lane departure, as well as traction control and a button to control the dashboard lights. The car has very low kilometers, like 2,271 kilometers on this demo. The steering wheel has the audio and cruise controls, as well as other buttons for functions within the car. Stepping inside. On the radio we have Sirius XM. There will be a 3-month trial subscription of Sirius XM for you to try out all those 100 channels that Sirius XM offers. The car also has backup camera. Down below we have a dual zone climate control and a push button start. Below that is the auxiliary and USB inputs for the radio, plus a couple of 12-volt charge ports for your devices. We have heated leather seats in the front, a heated steering wheel and dry mode control, as well as the shifter for the automatic transmission. Looking up, we have the sunroof. As I mentioned, leather seating controls. The driver's seat is powered. In the back seat, plenty of room back here for 3 people to ride in comfort on those nice leather seats. Going a little bit further back in the car, a really large trunk to carry groceries or athletic equipment, sports gear, kids stuff, whatever you need to carry. Lots of room in this trunk. There's a shot of that EX badging. So this absolutely gorgeous blue 2019 Kia Forte EX Premium is available at West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9, Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Come on down and see us. Take this little Forte for a ride. Also, bring the family along. If you have children that are riding in kids' seats, try the seats out in the car. See how well that your family will fit into this Forte, and see how well this Forte will fit into your family. Again, that's West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.